Hi Matt, we are checking the account payment net terms in error. For that I'm testing some records. Firstly we'll check the total number of QB sync errors. Here total number of sync errors are 62. Yeah. I will create one account. Test PNT 283. Test PNT 283. And the payment net terms 1. Let's check same account in QuickBook. So here payment net terms is 1. I'll change that to blank. And again I'll update this from 1 to 15. Okay, let's check in the QuickBook. Here this payment items is of 15 and account has also 15. So I'll make it again to blank. No sync error is generated. We'll wait for webbook update. After waiting for a few minutes, we'll check it again. So payment items, here we got a blank, and also in QuickBook is also it is blank. So I think this is syncing properly. No any new error is generated. This is last QuickBook update. Okay, thank you.